96.
96.
96.
Conjonction 3.
Conjunctions 3.
Conjunctions 3.
Je me lève dès que le réveil sonne.
I get up as soon as the alarm rings.
I get up as soon as the alarm rings.
Je me fatigue dès que je dois étudier.
I become tired as soon as I have to study.
I become tired as soon as I have to study.
J'arrêterai le travail dès que j'aurai 60 ans.
I will stop working as soon as I'm 60.
I will stop working as soon as I am 60.
Quand appellerez-vous?
When will you call?
When will you call?
Dès que j'aurai le temps.
As soon as I have a moment.
As soon as I have a moment.
Il appelle dès qu'il a le temps.
He'll call as soon as he has a little time.
He'll call as soon as he has a little time.
Combien de temps travaillerez-vous?
How long will you work?
How long will you work?
Je travaillerai aussi longtemps que je le peux.
I'll work as long as I can.
I'll work as long as I can.
Je travaillerai aussi longtemps que je serai en bonne santé.
I'll work as long as I'm healthy.
I'll work as long as I am healthy.
Il reste au lit au lieu de travailler.
He lies in bed instead of working.
He lies in bed instead of working.
Elle lit le journal au lieu de faire la cuisine.
She reads the newspaper instead of cooking.
She reads the newspaper instead of cooking.
Il est assis au bistrot au lieu d'aller à la maison.
He is at the bar instead of going home.
He is at the bar instead of going home.
Autant que je le sache, il habite ici.
As far as I know, he lives here.
As far as I know, he lives here.
Autant que je le sache, sa femme est malade.
As far as I know, his wife is ill.
As far as I know, his wife is ill.
Autant que je le sache, il est au chômage.
As far as I know, he is unemployed.
As far as I know, he is unemployed.
Si je ne m'étais pas endormi, j'aurais été à l'heure.
I overslept. Otherwise, I'd have been on time.
I overslept. Otherwise, I'd have been on time.
Si je n'avais pas manqué le bus, j'aurais été à l'heure.
I missed the bus. Otherwise, I'd have been on time.
I missed the bus. Otherwise, I'd have been on time.
Si je ne m'étais pas perdu, j'aurais été à l'heure.
I didn't find the way. I got lost. Otherwise, I'd have been on time.
I got lost. Otherwise, I'd have been on time.